Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is a really fast one. I'm just super excited. I just wanted to get this on film and get this locked in. So only 2 days ago I started off these hybrid cucumber seeds. These are the ones right here. And check this out. I'm gonna open this up. I looked at them through the light and I could see that they have already germinated. Oh my, look at this. I thought one of them was sluggish, but no, I just couldn't see it properly through the paper. But look at this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Amazing. So I'm going to let these go probably one more day, and then I'm going to get them into a little bit of soil. I could even get them going today. But pretty amazing. So hybrid cucumbers, and I always have success with any of my cucumber seeds. They are so easy to start off. But there you go. I'm really excited about this. So I just wanted to get that locked in. Today is April the 15th, and so that's 2 days, and they are all germinated. So that's it. I'll keep you updated on this. Thanks for watching.